In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do when the Ctrl F function is not working in Google Sheets. This is a common issue that can disrupt your workflow, but thankfully there's a simple way to resolve it. Let's dive right into the steps to get your Ctrl F feature back up and running efficiently. To start, you'll want to open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and going to the Google Sheets homepage. Once you're there, click on Sheets. This will open up a list of all your available spreadsheets, allowing you to select the one that you're currently working on or want to troubleshoot. Once your sheet is open, the next step involves checking your site information. Look toward the top left corner of your browser's address bar. You should see a padlock icon or a circle with an eye, which allows you to view site information. Click on this icon and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, find and click on the option that says Cookies and Site Data. This step is crucial because sometimes the issue with the Ctrl F function not working stems from cookies or site data interfering with your Google Sheets. A good idea might be to periodically manage this data, especially if you're experiencing performance issues. Once you've accessed the Cookies and Site Data menu, you'll be presented with various options. You'll want to click on Manage On-Device Site Data. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can see all the data stored on your device related to the site. The next step is to clear this data. Look for the button that says Delete All. This process will remove all collected cookies and site data, which often helps in resolving issues like the Ctrl F feature not functioning as expected. However, be aware that this step will log you out from your accounts on the site, so you'll need to log back in once you return to Google Sheets. Once you have deleted the site data, return to your Google Sheets and try using the Ctrl F function again. You should now find that it's working smoothly. Dealing with technical hiccups like these can be frustrating, but routinely clearing site data is a handy trick that can aid in maintaining optimal performance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Fixing technical issues can often seem daunting, but with clear step-by-step instructions, you can resolve issues swiftly and get back to focusing on what truly matters, getting your work done efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.